Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to improve SEO in your Big Cartel store. First, log into your Big Cartel account and go to your dashboard. Start by making sure your store name, product titles, and descriptions are clear and include relevant keywords that customers might search for. Next, go to your product section and open any product. Update the product title to be more descriptive and add keywords in the product description naturally. Avoid keyword stuffing and keep it readable. Then, upload high-quality images for your products and make sure each image has a clear file name. This helps search engines better understand your content. After that, check your store settings and look for options to edit your homepage text or store description. Add a short, keyword-rich description of what your store sells. Also, make sure your custom domain is connected if possible, as this can improve your store's credibility and search ranking. Once you've made these improvements, save everything and preview your store to ensure it still looks clean and professional. And that's it. You've successfully improved SEO in your Big Cartel store. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.